Hello everyone and welcome back to Scorpio Tech. In this video we're going to be taking a look at a monthly technology subscription box called GadgetClub. With each monthly box you get 3 random gadgets, each of which are unique and innovative items that are brand new to the market and are sure to become your household favourites. So for this video I have teamed up with the GadgetClub to give away a 3-month free subscription worth $150 to one lucky viewer. To enter, all you need to do is head down to the Discord server in the description and find the giveaways tab for further information. So let's find out what's inside this GadgetClub mystery box. The first gadget out of the box is a touch-sensitive hexagonal LED lamp, which is also modular, similar to Nanoleaf and colour light panels. And although you've only got one of these in the box, the gadget box is a great way to introduce you to some tech that you might not already know about. As well as this, they also supplied a UK plug adapter, which was a very nice thing for them to include. After opening all of the boxes, we'll go back and take a closer look at each of the gadgets. So in the second box we've got this really cool temperature and humidity monitor, which has a really sleek design and also displays the date and time. And last but definitely not least, we have this really unique USB powered RGB stick, for lack of a better word, which also comes with a standard RGB remote. Maybe I've been living under a rock, but I've honestly never seen anything quite like this, but as you'll see a little bit later on, it's a pretty cool little gadget. So just to quickly recap, in this box we got the quantum modular LED touch lamp, the funky RGB stick, and also the handy temperature and humidity monitor. And that is the beauty of the GadgetClub box. You have no idea what you're going to be getting, ranging from speakers to power banks, torches to mini keyboards, drones, and much more throughout the year. Now let's jump in to take a closer look at the individual gadgets, starting with the hexagonal touch lamp. This touch lamp is mains powered and is turned on and off by simply tapping on the front of the device. Being modular, you can add many more of these lights, up to 65 in fact, to create some awesome pieces of wall art. Unfortunately they are not coloured lights, but instead a non-dazzling soft white light, which is ideal as a reading light, for gaming setups, and quite honestly anywhere you want. My only real issue with this light is due to its modular nature. The magnetic connecting edges are not the most pleasant things to look at. You can however attach this lamp to the wall in multiple ways, such as via the included sticky pad. And whilst it's not on the level of Nanoleaf panels, it does offer something different with its small size and touch functionality. Next up we've got this RGB stick. Unfortunately the box didn't contain any information on this product, but in some ways it is quite fun to figure things out for yourself. After peeling off the protective plastic, we can see that this device has illumination on just one side, but thankfully the USB Type-A works both ways, so no need to worry about the placement. Here I decided to test it out with the USB ports on the top of my PC, and I was honestly surprised with how bright this thing was, considering it only has about 6 LEDs inside. The controller allowed me to change between static colours and also effects such as fade and flash, as well as adjusting the brightness and power status. I then went a little bit crazy and started placing it absolutely everywhere, such as the front port on the Xbox Series X, to see how it looked, and again, although it's a little weird, I actually kind of like how it looks. And if the light is too bright for you, you can point it towards the wall to create a more atmospheric lighting effect for your gaming setup or office room. Or if you want to go extra crazy, you could probably put it in your car's USB port. And lastly, let's take a look at this awesome little humidity and temperature monitor. Whilst it might not sound like the most exciting gadget in the world, I personally love analytics and metrics of any sort, so I find this information somewhat fascinating. It allows you to view the current room temperature in both Celsius and Fahrenheit, as well as the humidity percentage and comfort level on the simplified chart in the centre of the device. As well as this, it also displays the date and time without having any annoying or distracting lights on it, making it ideal to have in a bedroom or office area. In regards to placing the device, it has a small stand on the back if you want it to sit on a desk or shelf, or you can use the magnet on the back to attach it to any magnetic surface. I personally chose to use a sticky pad to place it directly above my light switch, as it's a convenient and non-intrusive place to display all of that information. And that pretty much wraps us up for this video. I've personally used similar services such as Loot Crate for monthly game merchandise and HelloFresh for food deliveries, but I had no idea there was a subscription for gadgets and technology. If this is something you're interested in, check out their website via the link in the description or head to GadgetClub.io. Again, if you want to win a free 3-month subscription, head over to my Discord server where I'm hosting the giveaway, link also down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.